everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm so glad you're here. In today's video, guys, I'm just going to be showing you how to lower your blood sugar level in this season. All right, we all know this is a festive season of Christmas whereby everyone likes to explore food, anything eatable. People would like to explore. Okay, so no worries, I got your back. Watch from start to finish so that you know how to lower your blood sugar level whenever you've eaten what you're not supposed to eat. All right, okay, so this Christmas period, eat as much as you want. I'm just going to be showing you how to DIY, how to lower your blood sugar level. All right, if this is what you're interested in, definitely keep on watching. Give this video a thumbs up, like this video, share this video if you can, and yeah, let's get right into the video. The first ingredient I'm going to be working with is bitter leaf. All right, in Yoruba language it is called ewe ewuro, and in English it is called a bitter leaf. All right, I'm just going to be doing a small portion of this drink so as for you to know what and what you can put together to get an home remedy to lower your blood sugar level. All right, make sure to get this bitter leaf, the fresh bitter leaf. The dry one cannot do anything, cannot be as effective, all right, as this. All right, so make sure to get a fresh bitter leaf. The second ingredient I'm going to be working with is scent leaf. All right, in Yoruba language it is called efinrin, and in English it is called scent leaf. All right, so I'm just going to be using these two leaves together with another recipe which I'm going to be showing you in a bit. Let's just get right into the preparation. At this point, guys, I will just go ahead and rinse these leaves all together, and I will be right back to show you what I'm going to do with it and what other ingredients I'm going to add with these leaves. All right, so let me go wash it. I'll be right back. This is what it is looking like after washing everything, because you have to make it clean. You have to make the leaves clean. All right, so at this point I'm going to add water, a glass of water. You can choose to blend it. All right, you can choose to blend it if you have blender, but right now my blender is faulty, so I need to go in with my hand and just squeeze out everything I need from the leaf into the water. All right, just follow the process and trust me, this remedy is very, very effective. If you have a high blood sugar level, this will help you lower your blood sugar level. This is no joke, it is real, it is for real. Test it and let me know in the comment section how it has worked for you. Let's go on with the process. So at this point I'm just going to go ahead, and as you can see, this is how I'm going to do it. When you are doing it, please make sure that your hands are clean. This is a bit messy, guys, but trust me, this is the best way to do it. Even if you blend it, you cannot extract everything you need from the leaf, but if you use your hand to do it like this, you are going to extract everything you need from the leaves. All right, you are going to extract it into the water and it will be perfect. All right, so I'm just going to go on till this leaf looks pale before I move to the next process. All right, I'm done now. I'm done with it now. Oh my god, this is a mess. I'm just going to sieve it like so into a glass cup, and voila, home remedy to lower blood sugar level is ready. All right, this drink is very effective. Like I said earlier, make sure you follow the process and do as I do, all right, for effective results. Okay, let me know in the comment section if you have used this type of home remedy before. Let me know in the comment section. So this is how you are going to use this home remedy. All right, you're just going to drink it first thing in the morning and last thing in the night. All right, it is bitter. Let me tell you the fact, it is bitter, but the end result is 100%, like 100%. Okay, so if you want to control your blood sugar level this season of Christmas, you want to eat anything, you want to, you know, explore food, orishi, chocolate, ice cream, and popcorn, you know, as you wish, try it. And after eating all of that, just go ahead and drink this home remedy to lower your blood sugar level. All right, and live long. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share this video, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.